Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Rick here, and I'm excited to share my thoughts on the MowRo RM24PRO robot lawn mower, a fantastic option for keeping your yard pristine without breaking a sweat. You can find it on Amazon, and I've linked it below for the best pricing. Let's dive into what makes this mower a game changer for small to medium yards. First off, the MowRo R24PRO is designed for convenience. It's perfect for lawns up to a quarter acre, and its Bluetooth app control is a standout feature. You can set schedules, adjust cutting heights, and monitor its progress right from your phone. No more chasing down a mower or fiddling with clunky controls. The app is user-friendly, and once you've got it set up, it's smooth sailing. Another big plus is the ultrasonic sensor. This little tech gem helps the mower detect obstacles, so it navigates around trees, flower beds, or your kid's soccer ball without getting stuck. It's a huge time saver and keeps your yard safe from accidental bumps. The mower also handles slopes up to 20 degrees, which is great if your yard has some gentle hills. I tested it on a sloped section of my lawn, and it powered through like a champ. The metal plate construction is another pro. It feels sturdy and built to last even with regular use. Plus, it's quiet compared to traditional gas mowers, so you won't disturb the neighbors during early morning cuts. And let's talk about efficiency. This mower covers ground systematically, leaving a clean, even cut that makes your lawn look professionally manicured. Now, no product is perfect, so let's touch on a couple of drawbacks. The initial setup can take a bit of time, especially if you're new to robotic mowers. You'll need to lay down the boundary wire to define the mowing area, which requires some planning. To me, this is a deal breaker. Now, it's not hard, but it's not as plug and play as some might hope. Also, with only 5 units left in stock last I checked, availability could be an issue, so you might want to act fast. Another minor con is that the 24 Pro is best suited for smaller yards. If you've got a sprawling estate, you might need a model with more coverage. But for most suburban homes, this mower's capacity is spot on. Despite these points, I'm really impressed with the MowRo RM24PRO. It's reliable, low maintenance, and takes the hassle out of lawn care. The combination of app control, obstacle detection, and durable build makes it a solid investment for anyone looking to simplify their yard routine. I would recommend it for anyone with a small to medium lawn who wants a set-it-and-forget-it solution that is okay with installing a guide wire. Before I wrap up, grab the MowRo RM24PRO at the link below to snag the best pricing, including special promotional offers from Rick's Review Hub. Also, check out our other videos for reviews on similar products to find the perfect fit for your needs. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe to support the channel. See you next time.